Today, we have some exciting new leaks and insights about the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. As drone enthusiasts eagerly await the next generation of DJI's flagship product, recent leaks have revealed some major design and feature upgrades, and even some surprising omissions. Let's dive into the details and explore what the Mavic 4 Pro might bring to the table, including new camera technologies, enhanced imaging capabilities, and changes that could redefine the drone landscape. The anticipation for DJI's Mavic 4 Pro has been building, and now, thanks to a fresh leak, we have a clearer picture of what to expect. This leak, shared by Drone Insider, showcases a redesigned Hasselblad-branded imaging system with a bold and futuristic look. The new camera housing is significantly larger and bulb-shaped, suggesting that DJI is taking a big leap forward in imaging power for this model. The photo also includes a side-by-side comparison with the rumored DJI Air 3S, providing insight into the size and potential feature differences between these two models. In addition to the drones, two new controller units are visible in the image, hinting at DJI's ongoing development of an upgraded smart controller lineup. A bigger camera for bigger possibilities. Let's focus on that striking new camera module. It appears much larger and more robust than the one on the Mavic 3 Pro. This could mean a variety of exciting improvements, including a bigger sensor, enhanced image processing capabilities, or superior stabilization technology. The larger camera housing could also indicate better thermal management, which is essential for extended professional use. Thermal management enhancements not only boost performance during longer flights, but also help maintain image quality under challenging conditions. While the Mavic 4 Pro's camera setup retains the triple-lens design, featuring focal lengths of 24mm wide, 70mm medium telephoto, and 160mm telephoto lenses, the enlarged housing suggests there's more to this upgrade than meets the eye. Perhaps DJI is looking to integrate new sensor technology or advanced optics that will elevate aerial photography and videography to unprecedented levels. Where is the LiDAR sensor? One notable absence in the leaked images is the LiDAR sensor. Many enthusiasts were hoping for LiDAR integration to complement DJI's Opus 5.0 obstacle avoidance system. For context, LiDAR has become a highly sought-after technology in the drone industry due to its ability to enhance obstacle detection and depth perception in low-light environments. While the APS 5.0 system has proven to be reliable in the Mavic 3 series, the addition of LiDAR would have made the Mavic 4 Pro a game-changer for professional drone pilots. It's worth noting that DJI has often reserved groundbreaking features for subsequent iterations or higher-end models. However, the omission of LiDAR might disappoint some users who were expecting this advanced capability in the Mavic 4 Pro. Enhanced gimbal and stabilization features. Another intriguing possibility is the expansion of the gimbal's range of motion. The test unit shown in the leaked image hints at potential improvements in gimbal technology. A more versatile gimbal would allow for smoother transitions, better stability, and increased flexibility when capturing complex shots. Combined with a potentially upgraded stabilization system, the Mavic 4 Pro could become a powerhouse for professional filmmakers and photographers alike. Professional-grade performance for creators. The redesigned camera module and potential enhancements to thermal management align with DJI's goal of catering to professional users. Whether you're shooting a commercial, capturing a cinematic landscape, or conducting aerial inspections, the Mavic 4 Pro's improvements are designed to meet the demands of advanced users. The larger sensor could mean better dynamic range, improved low-light performance, and higher resolution, making it a go-to tool for content creators who demand the best. Comparing the Mavic 4 Pro to the DJI Air 3S. The inclusion of the DJI Air 3S in the leaked photo provides a fascinating point of comparison. While the Mavic 4 Pro is positioned as a high-end drone, the Air 3S appears to target a more mid-range audience. Despite the differences, the side-by-side comparison highlights DJI's commitment to delivering innovation across its product lineup. With the Air 3S rumored to include LiDAR technology, it's interesting that DJI chose to omit this feature from the Mavic 4 Pro. Could this signal a strategic decision to differentiate their drones based on user needs and price points? Design tweaks and hidden features. As with many early leaks, it's important to remember that test units often feature incomplete or placeholder designs. For instance, obstacle sensors might not be visible in the leaked images, but could still be present in the final production model. DJI has a history of refining and enhancing its designs during the testing phase, so the final version of the Mavic 4 Pro may include additional features that haven't been revealed yet. Keywords for optimized drone content. If you're looking to rank your drone-related content, incorporating fresh keywords is essential. Here are some trending keywords to consider blending into your video or description. DJI Mavic 4 Pro specs, professional drone photography, aerial cinematography tools, LiDAR versus APS 5.0, drone leaks and rumors, Hasselblad camera drone, and next-gen DJI drones 2024. These keywords reflect current search trends and can help your video reach a wider audience. Final thoughts: the future of the Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be an impressive addition to DJI's lineup. With its larger camera module, potential gimbal enhancements, and professional-grade features, it promises to be a valuable tool for content creators and drone enthusiasts. However, the absence of a LiDAR sensor raises questions about DJI's strategic direction and whether this omission will impact its appeal to advanced users. As always, DJI's ability to innovate and deliver cutting-edge technology will likely make the Mavic 4 Pro a standout product in the drone market. What are your thoughts on the leaks and rumors? Are these features enough to get you excited for the Mavic 4 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest drone technology. Stay tuned for more insights, and thank you for being a part of technology in the future.